In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Mailchimp with Unbounce. If you're collecting leads with an Unbounce landing page and want them to flow directly into your Mailchimp audience, this walkthrough will guide you clearly from start to finish. Before we begin, make sure you can log into both platforms and that your Mailchimp role is owner or admin, since you'll be asked to grant access during the connection. Start by logging into Unbounce and opening your dashboard. Head to the landing page you want to integrate. From the page editor, navigate to the page overview. This is the control center for your page settings and where you'll connect your marketing tools. Look for and click the Integrations tab. You'll see a list of available services. Choose Mailchimp from that list to begin the connection. Unbounce will prompt you to authenticate. This simply means granting Unbounce permission to send your form submissions to Mailchimp. Approve the request in the Mailchimp window. Once the connection is established, you'll be asked to pick the Mailchimp audience, sometimes called a list, where new leads should be added. Choose the audience that matches your campaign goals. Next, map your fields. This is where you match each field on your Unbounce form, like email, first name, or company, to the corresponding fields in your Mailchimp audience. Take your time here. If your Mailchimp audience has fields marked as required, those same fields must exist and be collected on your Unbounce form, or submissions may fail. At a minimum, Unbounce will send the email address and the Unbounce page ID. But it's a good idea to map any other fields you plan to use for personalization or segmentation. Now, set your follow-up preferences. Decide whether new leads should receive a confirmation email from Mailchimp or whether they should be handled by your existing automations or manual workflows in Mailchimp. If your selected audience uses groups for segmentation, you can assign the incoming leads to the appropriate group so they're organized from the moment they arrive. When everything looks correct, save the integration settings. Finally, publish your Unbounce landing page. Publishing ensures the integration goes live, and from that point forward, any new submissions captured on your page will be added to the Mailchimp audience and groups you selected, with the fields mapped exactly as you configured. That's it. Your Unbounce page is now connected to Mailchimp. You've chosen your audience, mapped your fields, set your follow-up, and published, so your marketing funnel is ready to capture and nurture leads automatically.